Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Today's video we're doing a part 2 series of planning in my digital planner. If you haven't watched part 1, feel free to go back and check that out before you watch this one. And let's get started. Filled in all the dates, so here they are, all in white, looking very fancy. And so now the fun part is adding some stickers. So I'm gonna go do my sticker book and I'm gonna add something here and along that side. So I want a cozy type of sticker, so I'm using Nuku here, holding its hot chocolate. Hot chocolate, don't you guys like hot chocolate? I like hot chocolate. So here I am gonna paste it and I'm gonna put it right beside December. There you go, looks so cute. Next I'm gonna go to check out some Christmas. Let's see what else we can add. Oh, maybe we can do like maybe this design here, copy and go over. Let's paste it in here. Oh, okay. Whoa, I think it would be so cute if we this over. Oops. Oh shoot. Okay, it's too close. Okay, let's zoom in. Let's grab that over here. There you go. Let's see what else we can use. Oh, this one here. Nuku's holding its Christmas lights. I think we could put it like right here above. There you go. And then I'm gonna write down memories, fill this in, so it's gonna be in black. Here we have memories, and I want to add like a little heart type of thing, so color that in, memories. Here we go, memories, so this month and memories. So let's fill in the things that are happening, that have happened or whatnot. Actually, apply, change, for edge. I'm sure I will know what that means. There you go, and then I'm going to make another note here, another bullet point, and the next one is change bank info. There you go. Next I will copy this and paste another one, the bullet point. Don't forget to buy boxes. Next, I'm gonna call mom. I'm actually pretty excited. I think last week someone stole my mom like purse. Okay, so I shouldn't be excited about that, but like, well, it gave her a reason to buy a new phone because she basically lost like everything. Her purse, her wallet, her IDs, her phone, like everything that you can think of. So I am kind of excited in terms of like I have helped chip in to help my mom to buy a new phone. So I'm excited for her to get her new phone because she's been using her iPhone SE for like, I don't know, like however long the phone came out for. Okay, so yeah, I just need to talk to her about it. So here are things that wrote that. Oh, so on the 12th, wait, do I have any stickers related to that? I don't think so. Oh, this is Christmas, and then that I guess I could use the gingerbread. Oh, the gingerbread is so cute. Okay, so all of these designs you can find in my shop if you want to buy like physical sticker. These are digital sticker are not available. It's only physical stickers are available. So I all hand drawn these, so they're so cute. Here I need to meet. This is my setup for month of December. I added a few things like the stickers here and also add some wording in there, some appointments that I need to attend to. And added some new cool stickers at the bottom and some decoration here as well. But this is my setup. I hope you guys enjoy it. It was actually pretty fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and also let me know if you guys do digital planning. I'm curious how many of you guys do. This is actually my first time. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more planning related videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!